PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair provides expert residential furnace replacement services in Malvern, PA, delivering reliable heating solutions tailored to your home's needs. Our experienced technicians ensure efficient installation, improved comfort, and long-lasting performance you can trust. Call our residential furnace replacement if you have any questions. Are you looking for a residential furnace replacement service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How do I know if I need to replace my furnace instead of repairing it? If your furnace is over 15 to 20 years old, requires frequent repairs, heats unevenly, or causes rising energy bills, replacement is often the more cost-effective and reliable option. Does furnace replacement include removal of the old unit? Yes, professional furnace replacement services include safe removal and disposal of your old furnace as part of the installation process. What is your service area for the Malvern, Pennsylvania service office? Our residential furnace replacement service has served Malvern, Fraser, DeVault, Kimberton, Malvern Hunt, Chester Springs, Phoenixville, Westchester, Paoli, East Whiteland Township, Charlestown Township, Willstown, Exton, Phoenixville Pike, East Whiteland, Pennsylvania. Where is your Malvern, Pennsylvania residential furnace replacement office located? We are located at 627 Swedesford Road, Malvern, Pennsylvania 19355. Our phone number is 610-424-6448. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Malvern.